What's up, guys? It's Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. As you can see from the title of today's video, I'm going to be clarifying my hair today. If you're interested in seeing me clarify my hair, then stay tuned. Before we get started in the video, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Danielle. I am the founder of Locs So Fine, hopefully a global community one day of women with fine hair, in my case, low density hair that have micro locks or sister locks. And I'm also the owner of a store called Locs So Fine, which you can find on Etsy, or you can go to www.locsofine.com where you can find products to help you protect your hair, like satin headdress covers, satin bonnets, and satin scrunchies. Okay, into the video. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know that I have been using the melanin hair care products, but I found that though for a loose natural, the slippage and stuff might be good for that. I don't really need a lot of slip in the shampoo. And also, since I did a rinse of my hair a little while ago, I've noticed that I've gotten a lot more buildup at the base of my hair. So I'm going to show you guys the back of my hair. So here's the back. As you can see, it's actually fully locked. And then here is some of the base of the locks. And I just feel like right along here, I know some of the base of some of the locks, it just isn't getting as clean as I would like it for it to be. And the last time I had my hair washed was almost 2 weeks ago. So what I'm going to be doing in today's video is I'm going to be using a clarifying shampoo for this video. This video is not sponsored, but I'm going to be using Phyta Naturals products, the clarifying apple cider vinegar rinse. When I was a loose natural, I used to use just diluted apple cider vinegar, but I was told that maybe isn't the best thing to use on a consistent basis because it could be too harsh on your hair. And so I will link the products to that in the description below if you want to check out those products. They're made by a fellow YouTuber named Laura, who has a channel about traditional locks. And I just decided I was going to purchase and try out those products for what I was trying to accomplish on my hair for today. You guys know I also have been struggling with some dandruff. So I'll show you up here. The dandruff is getting a lot better. So, but you can still see there's stuff in my hair right there. And some of that is those little like hair bulb fibers, but some of that actually is dandruff and it'll come off. So I'm trying to make sure that I don't have a lot of buildup and stuff on my scalp by cleansing it and then also keeping my scalp moisturized. But I think a lot of that dandruff is coming more from just the buildup than it's coming from my scalp being particularly dry. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox the products right now and show you guys what they look like and how much I got and just kind of give you a general overview of what the product is like. Okay, so when I opened the box, this is the first thing I saw besides the little paper with my order information on it, which I took that out because it's got my address on it. But so it's got this little card, get 15% off for you and a friend. If anybody wants to take advantage of that, you can do that. So I thought that was super cute. And then she's got her brand on the back. And then this says your hair is your glory. And then it says thank you for your purchase. And that's just her information on that. The packaging is super professional. So let's see, got me some pink peanuts in here. And then I ordered the 2 different products. And what I thought was cool about it is that she actually let me customize the top. So let's bust this guy open. This I think is the hydrating rose mist. So we'll get to that in a minute. But this right here is the actual shampoo. I'm gonna test it out to see if I need to dilute it or not. And so let me open it real quick. But I thought it was cool that I actually messaged her and she let me change the top of this to an applicator. So I don't have to worry about putting it in another bottle if I don't need to, which is similar to the melanin hair care one. So hold on, let me open it. Okay, so first impressions, this is the apple cider vinegar clarifying shampoo with applicator. Oh, such a nice bottle. It feels really good. And here's the back of it. So that's that. And then this is the mist, which is pretty hefty. And it's 8 ounces of this. And this one is also 8 ounces. So let me smell it and let me see what I think about it. Oh, wow. It doesn't smell apple cider-y. It smells really good. Which is nice because when you use just straight apple cider vinegar, it smells like really strong like vinegar, right? But this smells like, it's got a really pleasant smell to it. So I wonder if it's because it's got the flower extract and like the white willow and hibiscus and ginseng root, like that kind of masks the smell of the apple cider vinegar, but hopefully it's going to give us still the clarifying, you know, qualities that the apple cider vinegar will give you. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead off of camera. Man, this smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I'm like excited to use it. This one for real to me smells better than the melanin hair care one. So I'm about to go off of camera and I'm going to go ahead and braid and band my hair because I feel like y'all have already seen me braid and band my hair a million times. And then we're going to get back and apply it and then like see how well it does with cleansing my scalp and getting rid of this dandruff up here and hopefully some of the buildup in the back. Okay guys, I am back. I only did 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, making sure I left enough room at the base to be able to really clean my hair. You guys know how I feel about braiding and banding. I don't want to do it. I feel like I look like anime, but when I stopped doing it for a while, it didn't really go well. So I'm back to braiding and banding. Okay, so since I asked her to put this in the applicator, let me take this off of here. Oh, okay, so it's ready to go. Man, it smells so good. I'm like not even kidding. It smells really good. Like, I don't know how to describe what it smells like. It smells like candy, just like candy. Who is that? I wish I had a song to play. But anyway, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to use my spray bottle here to wet my hair because I actually already took a shower. So I'm going to be washing my hair in the sink. So I'm just going to spray directly onto the roots and get this water into my roots. And I'm really hoping too that if I go through first with just the water, that I can loosen up some of this stuff off of the base of my locks, you know? And that will help with that. So I'm going to really get in there with the water first and make sure my scalp is good and wet and saturated. I did test this a little bit on my fingers and I believe that, so it's like, it looks like that, but it's like really tacky, like enough that I don't need to dilute it at all. So I'm not going to dilute it. So that's what it looks like there. And it looks like, oh yeah, it's going to suds up really well. Gosh, I haven't recorded in here in so long since I very first started my YouTube channel. So it feels really weird to be in this tiny bathroom, like recording this YouTube video. I mean, it's kind of like, man, it shows you how far it's all come. Whenever I graduated to the other bathroom and then I graduated to, maybe I'll keep graduating to better and better, but we're in here for tonight. So, all right. So I'm going to go in on my scalp, y'all. Really be generous with it. It's already like super sudsy. And like I said, it smells amazing. So I'm really hopeful that this does the job. Oh, one thing I forgot to say. I think this was like $14. And the hydrating was like $10. So it's like par for course, I guess, for like natural hair products. So this is super sudsy. I'm really liking it. Okay, so I am done with my hair. The scalp part, I really got in there. I just want to say too, like, look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, if it's going to come across on camera, but okay, look. Can you tell this bottle how full it is? Yeah, you can't even tell that actually I used any out of it. And I got like a whole wash out of it. I'm like super hyping this up. I promise this video is not sponsored, but I am just so freaking impressed. Like, look, I used that, like this much sudsing. Okay, I got my whole hair and scalp clean. Now, mind you, I don't really have that many strands of hair. Well, they're like finer strands of hair, but still. And like, look, maybe you can see it better from there. Okay, see that bubble? Where that bubble is? Like, that's how much I even use out of this bottle. Okay, guys, so I am back. It's actually a few hours later because, you know, I washed my hair and then, Mom, I'm hungry. And then I had to fold towels and then I had to do laundry. Then I had to get ready for the next day. So my hair actually dried in a couple of hours, which was awesome. I'm going to attribute that to just like the chunkier braids and stuff. But anyway, it's slightly wet, but it's pretty much dry. So I'm going to go ahead and take it down, but I just want to show you guys the results of my clarified scalp. So here is the part where I felt like I had the dandruff before. So there's that on my scalp. It looks so good. And I will say too, what's weird is even though I didn't have that like shampoo that I normally have with the slip and stuff to it, my hair feels really soft and still moisturized. Like now my scalp, I mean, it feels like it's been stripped of everything that it could possibly be stripped of. But my hair itself feels really soft and it doesn't feel very like, it don't feel dehydrated and stuff at all. So that makes me really happy. And it actually, even though I braided and banded, I'm glad I did the chunkier, bigger ones because it doesn't look so flat, which is one of the things that I hate about braiding and banding is that it just makes my hair look like, like any braid out when your hair is not that high density. So that is that. Let me show you a couple more spots here. So this is more of my scalp after, and it looks super clean. I don't see any dandruff, which, now that we're looking up super close, watch some dandruff fall out of my hair, but it looks really good, like it got properly cleansed. And then let's look at the back. So here's this back row back here. Looks super soft. I did not get any slippage back here. I feel like I got any buildup off the base of them. There is lint though. See, this block has lint in it, so I'll have to get that lint out later. There's lint in this one too, but as far as like actual buildup of product and stuff on there, it doesn't feel like there's buildup of product, just that there's lint in the back ones. So have to work to get some of that lint out. I'm grateful that as far as lint is concerned, show this next layer up. So yeah, overall I'm happy with the Veda Naturals apple cider vinegar clarifying shampoo. If I had to say one negative thing about this shampoo, is that though it says it has fragrance in here, so whatever the fragrance is in there, if you like something that leaves your hair smelling like minty or like eucalyptusy or like lavendery, this right here, it smells more like I said earlier. It smells like it smells like shampoo, but it has like a sweet kind of smell to it as well. So if you don't like that type of smell, then I don't know that you would like it. But it says it removes buildup and residue from the hair and scalp, and that's exactly what it did. And so that's how I clarify my hair. If you're interested in more videos where I show you how I actually braid and band, like for real braid and band, you can click on this video right here. If you're interested in learning about anything about my lock journey, there is a playlist called My Journey or something along those lines, and you can click on that to see updates and things like that. Until next time, guys, bye.